How to get notified when Meta update your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get a notification when Meta update your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and here to get to this page just click on those three lines up there, and once you are here, click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down until you find media. Click on it and scroll down again. In the bottom, you're gonna find App Update, which is the second before the last option. Click on it. And here you have notification and you have Facebook Update installed. Click on it and turn on this option to get notified when Meta updated your Facebook app. And you can turn off this option whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.